What's up everybody, welcome back here on this channel. Today we are going to take a look at my diecast haul from last week. As you can see, it's all Hot Wheels stuff. So still a Matchbox this year, nearly impossible to find in my area. I have no idea why, but that's what it is. But I would say let's get started with this one here, which is the Tooligan, and this is the treasure hunt, the regular treasure hunt of the 2024 C case. It's kind of hard to get, by the way. And there we go. I don't know why I can't imagine that this is extremely popular. As you can see, we get our treasure hunt logo here on the side and the wrench, which is part of the metal base. So with this treasure hunt, I have now all the treasure hunts of 2024 so far from A to F case, except the Batmobile, so I'm going to look for that. But yeah, another one down. Let's put our Tooligan in the parking lot, and I would say let's go on with a premium model. And as you can see, we have the MBK van in Advan deco. But before, take a look at the model itself. Here are the 5 models that are in this Boulevard set. And yeah, guess what? The Super Silhouette Nissan, the Porsche, and the Nissan Skyline, they were all gone in every shop. So it seems like the Corvette, Yenko Stinger, and the MBK van are the pack warmers of this set. Yeah, it is what it is. So I saw multiple of these in the stores, so yeah, not everyone obviously is a fan of this MBK van, but I think it's, I mean, obviously this is a generic casting. It's like a, let's say it mimics kind of a Japanese van, but I think it's not that bad. And of course, I mean, it comes in Advan deco, which is really cool in my opinion. This casting, by the way, for all of you are interested in, it's kind of a little Easter egg. I don't know if it's possible to see on camera, but as you can see, there are 3 seats inside, and on one seat there is a small elephant. And the elephant is the national animal of Thailand, and this model, as far as I know, is kind of an homage to yeah, the Hot Wheels Thailand plant, and also the abbreviation MBK, as far as I know, or it's not Hot Wheels Thailand plant, Mattel Thailand plant. I think MBK is the abbreviation for Mattel Bangkok, as far as I know. So that's what I wanted to say. So here we are, and I think this one all does look even more cool if you put it next to the HKS version, which I think is now 2 or 3 years old. But this one's also cool. I think this one also wasn't that popular, although it has the HKS deco. But I think it's pretty pretty nice. So we've seen some other Advan decos in a premium recently. So we got the Toyota AE6 Sprinter Trueno, and this is the Porsche 962. This one, by the way, was in a 2-pack. I don't think you could buy it in Europe. I got it from eBay. So yeah, there we go. Some nice Advan models. So let's go on with the other premium model that I could find, which is Nissan Silvia S15 from Fast and Furious set. Yeah, this is more popular, as you can see. I hope you can see these are the models. But I was lucky and could find it. I'm not a huge Fast and Furious fan, but I think this one is kind of a cool deco. And as you know, if you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, by the way, then you know that I'm a huge fan of cool deco on these models. So let's take a look at this one. It does look pretty cool. We have these super chrome 6 spokes, and the livery is very dark blue with, I would say, a touch of purple maybe. Then we get these huge orange stripes on the sides. Nice details on the front and on the back. So pretty nice premium model. Then I would say let's go on with some models of the new Silverline series from Hot Wheels. I mean, these type of models already existed, but this year, as you can see, they wear the silver Hot Wheels logo. This is the Porsche set once again. You always find in my area the 944 and the where it is, the 935. The other ones are really hard to get. And I was wondering because, as you can see, there's also Porsche 914, which normally isn't that popular. But I saw some YouTubers that opened some cases, and I think this one isn't in every case, so it's kind of a chase model or something. I don't know. But anyway, let's open up our Porsche 944 Turbo. Comes in a nice black glossy livery with a racing stripe here on the hood and this pretty nice Porsche deco on the sides. As you can see, it's got those, let's say, special wheels for the Silver series. I think they match the car very well. We get some details on the back. Unfortunately, no license plate. And then, as many of these models, I already showed it at the MBK van with the little elephant inside. This one also has a little Easter egg. As you can see, there is a stethoscope in the trunk. It's a little bit a tragic story. So this is so this is a Ryo Asada design, the designer that passed away in, I think, 2021. And this Porsche 944, I think, was a car from his doctor during his cancer treatment. And this stethoscope is kind of an homage to his doctor. So there we go. That was a Porsche 944. We go on with the Porsche 935. As you can see, it comes with golden wheels on the Cardinal silver wheels. These are basically the same wheels as on the 944. I really like this casting. I mean, you can discuss the price of these Silverline models. As you know, this year, I think sometimes 2 per case of this Silverline series come with a metal base. But the other ones with a plastic base, I mean, you have to pay €5 for these, which is really much in my opinion. I mean, basically it's a mainline model with maybe a little bit more deco. So as you can see, this one comes with a windshield banner, but it also has this plastic base. And yeah, I mean, you don't have to buy it, but I just wanted to mention it. It's pretty nice anyways, but basically not really more than a regular mainline. And same thing, by the way, with these neon speeders. I really hesitated buying this one because they also do cost €5, and basically it's just a mainline model. I think the wheels maybe are a little bit different. Anyways, I thought this Mazda RX-7 Drift looked so cool, so I decided to invest €5. And this one I will keep in the packaging, by the way. But yeah, this one's kind of cool. So let's put this to the side, and then we have the 1955 Corvette from this vintage racing club series. Here are the other models. The Corvette is the model with a metal base, and the other one is with the metal base is where it is, the Mercedes. I already have this one. So this is pretty cool. I mean, for €5 now you get more like a premium model, except plastic tires. So, but this one, as you can see, has also a metal base in white, and this is a really, really beautiful model for €5. Really cool. And when I showed this one, I said I wouldn't buy the Corvette, but yeah, I decided to open one of these up. So let's take a look at the Corvette. Here is the metal base. I mean, they feel so good because they are pretty heavy. So here we are, full deco, baby blue with racing stripes. Looks really nice. And by the way, I think 2 years ago they had a pretty nice version of this Corvette in the mystery model series. As you can see, this one doesn't have any headlights, which is unfortunate, but as you can see, it comes with these white wall tires, and I think they fit these 50s cars really, really good. So pretty nice models. So that was the Corvette. And put the rotator to the side. Once again, when I bought these Hot Wheels models, they had a special offer going on. If you buy more or Hot Wheels stuff for more than €30, you get a 5-pack for free. And yeah, that's the selection, by the way, wasn't that big, and this is a 5-pack from 2023, but I think it's not that bad. When I saw it, I think I already have it because of the Bronco. I already have the Bronco, but I think it's also in a 2-pack, and that's where I got it. But the other ones are pretty nice, by the way. We have 3 licensed models and 2 fantasy cars. But I think if I open this, it will be a separate video. So let's take a look at the models from today. As always, picking a favorite. Yeah, it's between the MBK van and Nissan Silvia, but I think yeah, it's a Silvia. It's licensed and it looks really, really good. Put this one on display. Really nice. So there you have it, my haul from this week. I hope you enjoyed it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.